What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to what week are we now? I think it's like week 16, if I'm not mistaken. If you're watching this as far as a replay, um, go ahead and probably skip to minute like number 5 or something like that. Might be better. And if you're getting on here, go ahead and put in your name, where you're calling in from. Also, click on the like button so that I know you can be able to hear me well. What am I doing? Boom. Also, if you're on here for the very first time, I'd like to know who you are. Introduce yourself. Hi, my name is. What's going on, Michael? Wow, this thing kept going. Oh, crazy. All right, so we'll be getting started probably in the next couple minutes. Allow a couple people to be able to get on. Let me go ahead and put in the chat that we are live. All right, so let's pull everything up. So again, put in your name, where you're calling in from. I'd like to know if there's anybody that's new on here as of yet. I'm really excited to be able to go ahead and start the advertising. I planned on actually doing it today, and I wasn't satisfied with my webinar. I wanted to make some edits to it. And then I realized, you know what? 80-20 rule. I'm just going to start on, what is it? Wednesday. Whatever I got. And I'm just going to put it out there. And going from there, man. So again, if you're on here for the very first time, go ahead and put in your name, where you're calling in from. Look at AU, man. This weird pair. AU just a strange pair right now. What the heck? How many pips is this? That's a good amount of pips, man. All right, whatever. All right, let's get this thing going. What's going on, Shanna? All right. So yeah, go ahead and put in your name, where you're calling from. Also, click on the like button if you can be able to hear me. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with EU, AU, UJ, GJ. Ooh, that thing dropped. Boy. Fire. I caught that second drop then. I just got in. I was like, it's looking like it's kind of blah, and I got in on point, man. Proud of myself for that. All right. That is fire. All right. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading currencies online at home with your family. I'm a big family person, even though my daughter Amy, she's a year and a half. She's about to turn 2 in July. She does get on my nerves from time to time. I'm not even gonna front, but I think the Lord that I'm able to actually stay at home with her and be able to raise her, literally like 24/7. So I want to be able to do my best to be able to help out other people, to be able to get to that point as well.
So that's why I came out with this thing called fxpronow.com. That's why I came up with this thing called This Week in the Markets, to be able to show you, hey, listen, this is what I'm doing in the markets. This is what I'm applying on a day-to-day basis. And also, you have the opportunity to be able to copy what I'm doing, but also be able to actually learn exactly what I'm doing, not just copy. I don't really like the word copy. I like I like the fact that I can be able to help you learn this for yourself, so you can be completely independent. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over a couple of different pairs: EURUSD, AUDUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and also I'm going to throw in gold in there. I'm already, if I'm not mistaken, a profit on that one as well. And we're going to see if there's anything available. So let's get started. What's going on, Jose? All right, so what we're looking at right now is EURUSD. Let's go ahead and go live. If you guys have TradingView, you're able to actually follow me on TradingView, and anytime I post up anything as far as like an update or something like that, you'll be able to see it. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex at home with your families. So what we're looking at right now is EURUSD. When it comes to EURUSD, we are in a good amount of profit. We entered mostly because this move right here. So point A, point A, point B, point C, we saw, and mind you, we called this sell that was over here, we called it back here. I said, hey, listen, price is going to go back to this monthly over here, and then it's going to continue to the downside, and that's exactly what it did. You can be able to challenge me by going ahead and actually look at our past episodes. I've been calling this, I think, like 3 weeks or something like that. And that's exactly what it did. Got to this 113.1.13 area. And I also said, hey, listen, you could probably sell at 50% as well. Both of them were correct. Price found a level of resistance, and then fell. But this is what really told you, hey, listen, this is where it's at. We called the fact that it would push down, push back up, found a level of resistance, found the engulfing pattern on the M30 time frame from here, and then boom, we called it all the way up here. Price pushed down all the way down here, and I saw that it was going to continue to push up. I saw that it was going to find a level of resistance, a level of support, and then continue to push up. But as opposed to closing out my trade here, which I could have done with absolutely no issue at all, I decided not to. And I decided to just hold my trade, mostly because from point A here to point B here, I saw that it was just at this 38.2 area. And I was like, let me just hold this trade. Like I'm really confident for the continuation to the downside. So as I was sitting at the dinner table, I just looked at my phone real quick, and I would not suggest to do that, but I did. And I saw the fact that price started pushing down a little bit, found a little resistance, and then I saw that there was an engulfing pattern right here about to form. I don't think it formed as of yet. And I just got in on a low lot size. And then as I was just sitting here, I realized, oh, it dropped like I thought it would have, which I'm happy to see. Which I'm really, really happy to see. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I had a sell stop place because I was like, I don't want to miss the drop because I'm pretty sure it's going to drop. I don't know if it caught that. It did catch that. Where was that at? I had that at 1.25. Oh, so it's literally like right there right now. So this is just doing a retracement, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. The sellers came in. There's a group of sellers that were most likely just scalpers or something like that, trying to catch, small amount of pips. That's what causes this. You'll be able to learn that in the course. The fact that there's many different markets inside of one market. Just because you're, an EURUSD, doesn't mean there's just one type of person in there. No, there's many different classes or different type of markets inside of one market. Hopefully that makes sense in any type of way. So I'm not going to go break that down too much, but what we see here is the fact that price is now just doing a retracement. I don't really pull out my fibs that much when it comes to this small little, little bit. But what you're going to see is the fact that price pushed down. It broke this level of support right here, which is beautiful. Now, we got to make sure that there's an engulfing pattern that forms over here as well. If you didn't catch this move over here, that's no problem. You weren't even supposed to. Now you're supposed to catch the next one, right? So now what we want to do is we want to find an engulfing pattern to form on the M30 time frame on EURUSD, right? What's an engulfing pattern? A bearish candle engulfing a bullish candle, right? To look something like that. A bearish candle engulfing a bullish candle. Now what we want to do is we want to have that form anywhere between where it's at right now, to tell you the truth, to this 100%. Anywhere in this block right here is perfect. And then we're looking for the continuation of the downtrend based upon the H4 time frame. What does that mean? So the move is for the H4 time frame. This is the main analysis. This is the entry. What I want you guys to do is go to fxpronow.com. This is beautiful. I think God that I have my webinar now. Now I can be able to point you to something. What I want you guys to do, go to fxpronow.com. We have a brand new free webinar that you can be able to check out. I just gave it the okay. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to let this one out. I thought I could have made it better. I think this is as good as I'm going to be able to make it for this month. All right. So this is the one that I have right now. Go ahead and check it out. I think it's going to be able to bring about a lot of value to you. So fxpronow.com, we have a brand new 1 hour free training that you can be able to get access to, literally breaking down what I'm about to talk about right now. So on the H4 time frame is what we call the flow of the river. We got a downtrend forming on the H4 time frame, right? If I was to zoom out and stuff like that, right? But what I do is I enter based upon the M30 time frame. I entered over here, right? This was the first move, right? I enter into moves, right? So this was the first one. This is the second one. This is the second opportunity to be able to catch this, right? So I actually caught it on point. Hopefully, price does not pass the last high based upon here and continue to push up, because then I'm in a bad trade, which would be unfortunate. But if not, it will continue its way to the downside. So the move is based upon point A, point B, point C at this 50%. And then point D is my take profit based upon this move that I'm going to be doing, that I've done over here. All right. My take profit is now based upon this entire move, right? 50% to negative 27%. So this is where my take profit is going to be. And this is how I came up with the take profit at 1.11, right? I'm almost sure that you have no idea what the heck I just said, or you're like, I think I get what he's saying. If you're any of the two, go to fxpronow.com. We have a free webinar you can be able to check out. I'm ecstatic I can be able to actually point you guys to this. Finally, I've been waiting for this moment for months now. And I don't know, I've worked hard on it, but I know I can be able to make it better. So if anything, I would greatly appreciate your feedback. Go ahead and check it out. You can be able to email me at support@fxpronow.com, or you can be able to email me at philip@fxpronow.com. And give me some feedback. If you have any questions, you'll be able to contact me on there as well. All right. Greatly appreciate your time. I'm so excited. Just know that every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live on our YouTube to be able to see if there's anything available in the markets. Once you register for the training, give me sent the email with all of our Facebook, our group chat, and our YouTube content. Just if anything, follow all those so you can be able to get access to everything. All right. Really appreciate your time, guys, and I appreciate your time. Let's get it. All right. So that is beautiful. I'm happy that you pushed like that. And GJ continued. Look at that. I wonder what happened. All right. So look at AU. Let's go. I don't even want to do AU, to tell you the truth. I do not want to do AU. I'm not going to do AU. I don't even want to do AU. All right, let's do UJ. All right. UJ. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is USDJPY. When it comes to USDJPY, we're about to get to this level of resistance pretty soon at this 113 level. Still got about 100 pips until I'm going to get 130 pips or 20 pips until we get to like the confusion zone. And a confusion zone to me, confusion zone to me is a danger zone to me. All right. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be, just slightly cautious once we get to this area up here. But that's where I'm looking to exit my buy, because I'm in a buy right now. So let's look at the daily time frame. I just want to see what's happening on the higher time frames. We do see a level of resistance forming, but I do see many candles that have closed past this level of resistance, past 111.873 level. All right, I see many candles closing past that area right here, and I'm looking for price to push down just a bit. All right, once price pushes down just a bit, I'm looking for the continuation of the upside move, and I'm looking for a price to get to about 113 area. I still see bulls in the market. I'm not being faked out. I'm thinking that it's going to continue to the downside. I do have a small sell. I'm not really looking for too much. To tell you the truth, I got out of a lot of my sell. I was in a particular lot size, and I think I got closed out on 75% of it, because I was like, okay, this is taking too long. I'm not really looking to be able to get this too much from this. All right, so what I'm looking to do is I'm looking for price to continue to the upside. So I'm just going to see what's going on here. So price pushed down a bit right now. See, I'm only up like 20 pips. This is just a waste of time getting into the sell right here, and a waste of my what is it called? Account. So I'm looking for price to push down a little further. I want to say at the least to this 0.5 area, maybe to this area right here. So I need price to go somewhere in here. I wouldn't be surprised it's going to stop at 50%, but I'm just going to put this area right here. All right. So I'm looking for price to get into this area. Style. Boom. All right. So I need price to get into this area. Once price gets to this area, and as you can see, we call this to push down. Once price gets, and mind you, this took a long time to move. These are all H4 candles, right? That's why I was like, I'm tired. So I'm looking for price to now get into this area right here, somewhere in this area right here for the continuation to the upside. What I'm going to be looking for is for an engulfing pattern to form in the 30 time frame and continue its way to the upside. Okay. And I'm going to be looking for the continuation based upon the, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's a daily move. Let's see. Because I wouldn't be surprised this could actually just be this move right here that I'm focusing on. I forgot. No, it's not this move. Yeah, it's a daily move right here. So look for from point A, point B. Man, this is a long push. Point C, 50% for the continuation to this negative 27% right here. And yeah, so I'm just looking for price to get to 113. Once price gets to 113, I'm out. I may look for price to get to 113.8 and then just sell and just not even look at it. Reason why is because there's a major level of resistance at this 113 area, and it's been holding for, I want to see how long. So I'm not just saying a number, because I think it's over a year now. April 2017, 2 years. You think this is going to break through? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5. I don't know. It's having higher lows, but it's not breaking through. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'll have to see when price gets to there. But I am looking for price to get to at least the 113 area. You know, why wouldn't it? Why would it stop literally right where it's at to not get to 113? You know, I would think that it would get to that point. So if you like anything I'm saying and you're looking for some more content just like this, we actually have a free webinar that you can be able to check out. Completely free. You can be able to go to fxpronow.com and sign up for that free webinar. People are calling it an hour more valuable than months in other Forex courses. And it's not me saying it. You can be able to check out other people that are actually saying this. Go ahead and check it out. Once you put in your content, you're actually going to be sent the email that's going to you're going to be able to receive our group chat, our Facebook, and our YouTube. And what's cool about our YouTube is every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we actually go on live just like this to be able to see if there's anything available in the markets on EURUSD, AUDUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and sometimes gold. So if you have any questions, you can always contact me at support@fxpronow.com. Very accessible. I can be able to get back to you within 24 hours. So if you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up, and we'll go from there. Let me know about that webinar. Peace. All right. Sheesh, man. And look at this. Holy crap. This is insane. I'm so tight. I'm so tight. Man, bro. All right. Let's do this. All right. Man, why didn't I just stay in? That sucks. All right. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online, at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is GBPJPY, and I'm not even going to front. I'm kind of tight. Reason why is because we called this sell back here, literally right here, if I'm not mistaken, or somewhere around here. We called it. It had to be like, I guess, here. All right, we called this sell. I got in. And I wouldn't be surprised if some other people got in as well. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to, cabin trade or anything like that. This is a consolidated market, blah, blah, blah. So I think I got to this point right here. I saw prices pushing up. I was like, I don't want to deal with this. I'm out. And then look at this, man. Come on. It went even further than my analysis to 145.5. So, it's not good when you're wrong, but also it's not good when you're right, and you're more right than how right you thought you would be. That's kind of annoying. But I did catch some pips. Hopefully you did as well. So here's the thing. We're in level consolidation, and right now we are at 88.6. I would not be surprised. Price is going to push down a little further to this 100%. And then from there, find some level of support. Maybe. But the cool part about it is the fact that if we get to this level of support right here, when it comes to our risk to reward ratio, it's going to be very, very strong. But because GJ moves a lot, I just want to be for me, I'm going to be kind of cautious. I am still looking for price to find some level of support and continue to push up, being the fact that we are literally still on an uptrend, right? but I do want to find, you know, an optimal entry. And look, we still have higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then we're right here right now. We found a level of resistance right here. This was a great place to get into a sell, which I did, which I could have held, but my analysis is still on the upside, being the fact that it did not break structure. But here's the thing, it's going to push down at some point in time. It's going to make a lower low based upon here, a lower low down here. This is what I see happening, being the fact that we find a level of resistance all in this area right here, and the fact that we've been on a downtrend for a while now, even on the weekly. Okay, so with that being the case, I'm actually really ecstatic, because it's really showing us, okay, you know, I'm making some movement. I am in consolidation on this daily H4 time frame, but it's making some movement. It's making some progress, which I think we can be able to catch some moves in. Not today, because it's just not definitely not a good area to be able to get into a buy or sell. But I am excited about this. And I'm excited to be able to probably catch some. You see me smiling right now, because I know for sure this is going to be the money maker once this thing comes out of this area. Oh man, get ready. You know. So what I'd suggest is just to be a little patient. Make your money on EU. Make your money on UJ once it starts to push up. But just like UJ is about to push up, get to 113, and then from there find a level of resistance. You're catching on. GJ will do the same exact thing, if I'm not mistaken. Find some level of support, and then from there push up to about this 147 area. Probably even get to the 149 area. Maybe. I promise. Price gets to this area right here, I'm going all in. Like whole account all in. Putting all the chips on. I'm playing. I did not say that. All right. I'm playing. Playing. All right. Because I know you guys will be like, oh, okay, let me do that. Yeah, I want to do that. No, it's not what I'm saying. All right. So there's no real analysis on here. I'm just letting you know what's coming up for the long term. And I'm excited for this to push. I'm going to be looking for price to get to this 147 area. 140, 177 area. Once price gets to this area, it's going to be like an 800 pip drop. Find probably push back up to this area right here. I'm just making stuff up. And then from there, you know, probably go over here, probably boom, boom, and then go from there. Look for price to get to there. It's going to take some months to do that. But in between that time frame, I'm catching all of the moves. Now that I'm actually really in the market, I'm almost done, you know, with fxpronow.com. And speaking of fxpronow.com, we actually have a 1 hour free webinar that you can be able to check out. When it comes to that 1 hour free webinar, people are calling an hour more valuable than months in other Forex courses. And, you know, don't hear from me, hear from people that are actually have taken the actual webinar, have taken the actual course that we have called the You Are the Indicator course. So, go ahead and go to fxpronow.com, register for the webinar. Once you actually register from the webinar, you're actually going to also receive an email where you're going to receive our group chat, our Facebook, and our YouTube, all free items. And every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube, we actually go on live to see if there's anything available in the markets. And I think we'd be able to help you out, literally doing exactly what we're doing right now, but on other pairs as well. So if you have any questions, you'll be able to email me at support@fxpronow.com, and we'll go from there. All right. Greatly appreciate your time. Peace, man. Man, this is beautiful. 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 And by the way, what's funny is I'm actually going to be redoing my website for like the 5th time, which is insane. Which is freaking insane. But I think I found a really cool way to be able to do it, and I'm excited about it. Gold, you can literally see. Man, I wish we got in when we called this sell.
And by the way, Michael, thank you very much for reminding me about gold. I literally forgot about gold. And look at this, man. We're in some good profits right now. So let's talk about gold. Man, when I really master this thing, it's gonna be insane. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. I say all of that for a reason. I'm dead serious when I say with your families. I don't know who's calling me right now. It's this week in the markets, man. Busy. So what we're looking at right now is gold. When it comes to gold, we're looking at the weekly time frame. It's an obvious level of resistance right here. Right? Price does not get totally to this area. So what's interesting is, hold on, where do we get? Yeah. I don't think there's any more to it. I'm just looking for price to continue to the downside. We did find a level of support being broken based upon, pretty sure, the daily time frame. Yep. We see a level of support. We had this support, that support, all being broken. Maybe we'll find a retest. When it comes to gold, price just doesn't do that. It just, what's interesting is when it comes to currencies, price break structure, retest most of the time, literally almost 90% of the time, retest, 38.2, 61.8, 100% retracement, whatever it is. When it comes to gold, it literally just goes. That is freaking beautiful. But because I have like this not a habit, but a specific type of mindset when it comes to trading, I got to realize, okay, gold's a little different. I'm still getting used to it. That's why I'm not even getting out. It is finding a level of support. I think it's just going to continue. And where I'm looking for price to get to is 0.70, 0.7 area. So probably about like 1245 area or something like that. I think it was like, yeah. The only thing is, I wouldn't be surprised it's going to take a long time to get here. And it's only, I think, like 300 pips. And it's like, geez. But, I'm not going to complain about it. We're going to catch this and go on from there. Price may retrace because it's sitting on some level of support right now. I don't know what it's doing. But we're in profit, and we'll look for price to continue to the downside, mostly based upon the fact that it broke that level of support. So that's just where I'm at right now. Found a level of resistance right here, is it? Sort of. We'll see. All right, guys. So greatly appreciate your time. We actually have a free Forex, not gold, but Forex training that you can be able to get access to, a 1-hour Forex free training that you can be able to get access to. Everything goes on FXProNow.com. When you register for that training, you're also going to receive a thank you and welcome email from us saying thank you for signing up for the webinar. If anything, you can be able to stay connected with us by our group chat, our Facebook group, and also our YouTube channel, because every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live to see if there's anything available in the markets, and you can be able to stay connected with us. So if you have any questions, you're able to contact me at support@fxpronow.com, and we'll go on from there. Peace. All right. So so what's going on, everybody? Believe me, I greatly appreciate your time. Logging on with us. If anything, I'm just going to close out the trading right now. For people that are watching this, as far as a as far as watching a replay, but if you're live right now with us, if anything, I want to know who on here has been on our webinar, who's watched our webinar, who's signed up for our webinar. I'm really interested to, you know, get your feedback, and stuff like that. I do plan on making some slight edits to it, but nothing crazy. I think the content that's on there is great. I'm just looking to be able to make it as user friendly as possible. So curious to know who's watched it, and if not, anything, I'd highly suggest to check that thing out, man. Check it out, man. Check it out, man. Dope. Thank you, Jose. I greatly appreciate it. Just saw your message. Yeah, thank you, Greg. And if anything, before you check it out, I can send you the new survey questions. I'm not gonna have you like do the the long one that I had, but just the shorter version. There's a shorter version with just a couple questions. Because I had my mom do it. She's like, "That's too long. You're sending people that?" Quote unquote. Quote unquote. That is too funny, man. Quote unquote. Oh man. Good. I'm happy to hear that. Cool. Thank you. If anything, Greg, send me your email and I'll send it over. All right, guys. So greatly appreciate your time. I'm excited for you guys to check out this webinar. It's going to be the first one. Probably not going to be the last one. But I wouldn't be surprised by Wednesday. Wednesday is when I'm going to be launching my ads. And to tell you the truth, guys, if anything, what I may do is I may launch the ad as I'm with you guys. And what I would love for you guys to do is to be able to boost it with me. And when I say boost it with me, like, write a comment, tag a couple people, write a like or something like that to get it out there as much as we can. Because, I'd appreciate it. And at the same time, the community that I'm looking to create, and you're going to see the community in full that I'm looking to create in the webinar. I think it's going to grow at a massive rate, and I know for sure if we can be able to work together to be able to get this vision going, I know for sure that we're going to be proud of ourselves 100%, because just the visions that I have are I think they're really cool based upon the education that we're looking to create for other countries. So I'm excited. I don't know, how this is really gonna go, but just gotta keep on pushing. So appreciate your time, and going from there.